Hi, welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Eric Anderson. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot and show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2013 Toyota Corolla LE. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with keyless entry, power heated side mirrors, and much more. Its sensible blend of fuel economy, features, versatility, and value make it a compelling choice for small sedan shoppers. This Corolla has 16-inch steel wheels with wheeled covers and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Corolla is in great condition. It has multi-reflector halogen headlamps, along with a really nice color-keyed front grille with chrome accents and an iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 1.8-liter engine with automatic transmission. This Corolla has front-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers will receive an impressive 29 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Corolla has only 102,274 miles on it. At the back of the Corolla, you can see the large brake lights and the sleek chrome badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking into the cargo area, you can see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Corolla has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the cup holders as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the adjustable cloth seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Corolla is also equipped with a dual zone glove box, door bins with the bottle holders, and a digital clock. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with driver one touch down. This Corolla has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. You also have large climate controls, and everything that you see here is very easy to use. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.